Fake milk powder cases were found in recent years in various countries, which created fear among people. Many manufacturers realized the importance of a brand protection solution to prevent counterfeit from damaging their brand reputation and, the worst case, consumers' health. iSprint's client, one of the world's top infant and adult formula milk manufacturers, understands the importance of protecting their brand and consumers. They worked with iSprint to deploy the AccessReal solution. Each of their formula milk is assigned with a unique identity and tag on the packaging, using dual-layer QR code identification tag. The dual-layer QR code consists of an exposed unique QR code that is printed on the outer part of the packaging and paired with a hidden unique QR code printed underneath the lid flip. Their consumers can scan the exposed QR code for more information on the product. Once they purchase the product, they can open the flip and scan the hidden code to authenticate it and earn loyalty points. The AccessReal system is integrated with the client's reward management system to support their loyalty program. The characteristic of this dual-layer QR code is, once a consumer has scanned the hidden unique code, subsequent scan of the same code by other consumers will return a warning message to them. The scanning of the same code will usually happen when the product packaging has been cloned by counterfeiters. AccessReal supports the parent and child multi-level identity tracking needs of the client. Every scan of the UAID code gives the company visibility of their product's last scanned location. As UAID is also tagged with assigned distributors and resellers, the company can quickly identify who are the responsible stakeholders if there are any cases of product diversion or gray market issues. AccessReal also practices contextual authentication scan check. Any scanning of the same UAID code in different locations within an unacceptable timeframe will be detected as suspicious scan. The company can access all scan data via a cloud platform, and these data provide valuable business information, such as customers' demographics, purchase frequency, identifying how different promotions or geographic locations may affect sales of product range and more. All data collected in the AccessReal solution complies with the privacy laws and regulations such as GDPR. iSprint's clients can also leverage other advanced features of AccessReal such as blockchain for track and trace, product recall for compliance, warranty registration for customer engagement, and clone-proof QR code for anti-counterfeit, etc., to meet their brand protection and direct engagement requirements. For more information on AccessReal, please contact iSprint.